Can Rabbinic Decrees, Gezeirot, be modified in Halakha? Have you ever wondered if the rules set by rabbis can change over time? This question about Rabbinic Decrees, known as Gezeirot, is quite fascinating. These decrees serve as protective measures to help prevent violations of Torah law. Once a gezeirah is established and accepted by the Jewish community, it usually becomes binding. However, there are specific conditions under which these decrees can be modified or even annulled. The Talmud teaches us an important principle regarding this. It states that one rabbinical court cannot annul the decree of another unless it is greater in both wisdom and number. This means that respect for earlier authorities is essential. Yet, it also allows for later, more authoritative bodies to make changes if justified. For instance, Rabbi Gamaliel and his court once annulled a previous gezeirah imposed by earlier sages. They did this based on the understanding that later authorities could cancel earlier decrees if the situation warranted it. This historical example shows that modification is possible but not taken lightly. Many later authorities advise caution when it comes to creating new gezeirot. They stress that new decrees should not be made based solely on individual judgment. The consensus among halakhic decisors is that broad communal acceptance and significant authority are necessary to create new decrees. This requirement makes it challenging to introduce new gezeirot or annul existing ones today. When it comes to kosher food and kashrut laws, this principle is very relevant. Once a rabbinic decree about dietary restrictions is established and accepted, it remains in effect unless a recognized halakhic authority formally annuls it. This process helps maintain the stability and continuity of kashrut observance. In practical terms, if you are following kashrut laws, you can trust that established rabbinic decrees will remain in place unless a recognized authority with sufficient standing decides otherwise. This careful approach allows for adjustments when necessary while preserving the integrity of kashrut. So, to answer the question, yes, rabbinic decrees can be modified in halakha, but only under strict conditions involving greater rabbinic authority and communal acceptance. This balance ensures that the laws of kashrut remain relevant and respected while allowing for thoughtful changes when needed.